What's going on, guys? Hoagie1685 here at Shifted Interest Shop again. Christmas came early for my truck, and we got an S&B cold air intake. I got it from Cool Tech Diesel Performance, so we're going to do a little unboxing video and show you guys what's all included, and then yeah, there'll be an install video to come.
Like getting a fish.
Oh. Alright, so we got a nice big air box here. For being plastic, it's actually kind of got some weight to it. Big honking filter. I went with the cleanable because you know, I like to be able to clean my filters, and if you clean them well and oil them properly, they'll protect your engine really good and they'll last a long time. So yeah, that's a nice big filter right there. Silicone boot. And then we got the plastic tube horn part. This part goes down to your turbo. This part goes up into the intake. Spot for your mass airflow sensor. Nice S&B polycarbonate cover. And this is the cap for the bottom. If you wanted to, you can buy the scoop, and it hooks onto the bottom here, and it goes down to the bottom of the truck to get the ram air effect. So we don't have the scoop, so we'll just pop this cover on, and it's bolted on there too. So yeah, pretty, like, it seems like it's good quality, and we'll see how it all fits when we do the install. Comes with some nice, I think these are stainless, gear clamps, and all the little hardware you need for putting her in.
I think this is what this is for.
That's an expensive hat right there. That's a good Halloween costume.
Yeah. What am I?
I'm an S&B intake.
Gladiator.
Okay, so make sure to check my channel again for an install video of this intake, and make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.
Nice and big.